So, kids, today we'll be learning about the lipids and their role in the biochemistry of the body. Now, lipids are in different forms in our body. There are like fatty acids, triacylglycerols, ketone bodies. Now, we'll be learning about their metabolism. But first of all, we should know what fatty acid structures is. Now, fatty acids consists of a hydrophobic part and a hydrophilic part. The hydrophobic part is the long chain, and the hydrophilic part is the terminal carbonyl group. So, the fatty acid has an amphipathic nature, which means it has a water hating part and a water loving part. Now, longer the fatty acids, longer will be the water hating part or the hydrophobic part, which means that they cannot be carried in the water. So they will require a carrier protein maybe, or they will be carried in some other form. So most of the fatty acids in the body are carried via proteins such as albumin, or they are carried as tags, phospholipids, or they can be carried as cholesterol esters. But to know this, first of all, we should know the structures of the fatty acids. Now, the fatty acids can be saturated and they can be unsaturated, which means that in unsaturated there will be no double bond, and in saturated they can be monosaturated or they can be polysaturated. Now, the monosaturated ones have a single double bond, and the polysaturated have more than single double bonds. Now, in each double bond, there can be only two configurations, either in cis or in trans. But in the fatty acids, there is a predominant cis configuration, which means that there will be a kink in the chain. So, today we will only learn about this. Thank you.